India team. Before we go into this podcast, the disclaimer is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM. In no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. As we all know, today Lok Sabha election are being votes being counted and the results will be out. And during the session, we might expect volatile moves as the session progresses. Most of the exit polls suggesting uh, India to take leading in these elections as well. And analysts have taken it in a positive sense. And yesterday we have seen the Nifty gapping up about 2300 level, 23,000 level, and it closed at a new all-time highs. This shows confidence and among the investors, which is a very positive sign. And if that if these polls were correct and that will be known by today evening, then definitely the market is going to be dictated by these results in this upcoming week as well. Coming to the price volume action, Nifty has having a very good price volume action. As you can see, mostly because of yesterday's action, you can see Nifty closed more than 3% higher, and the volume was significantly higher than the average volume. And it is trading above all its key moving averages. By the nature, it is trading at a new all-time high, so that is going to be there. And coming to the market status, we are in confirmed uptrend with a distribution day count of 3. And uh, there is on the downside, to be on the cautious side, if, distribution days will help us to track the weakness in the market. If 50 DMA is breached, we might see the market status to under pressure. But going by the yesterday's action, that 50 DMA is more than 4%, nearly 4% from the yesterday's close. Until then, there is no major sign of weakness, and there is no need to worry as long as Nifty stays above that level. And coming to the portfolio, we are having good number of stocks in our portfolio, and we have added a couple of stocks in the yesterday's session as well, which have looked very good on the both technicals and fundamentals. Going forward as well, we will look out for strong breakouts and among the existing portfolio stocks. If there is any stock which is moving sideways or not showing signs of strength, we will exit those stocks and we will make room for new breakouts. Some of the stocks which are in news, one is Zee Entertainment board is going to meet on June 6th, that is day after tomorrow, to consider raising funds via share sale. Kalyan Jewellers is going to buy the remaining 15% stake in its brand called as Kongari for 42 crores of rupees. Biocon has received an approval from US FDA for its drug uh, mycofungin, which is used to treat a range of fungal and yeast infections. Yesterday's institutional activity was very good. I can see both foreign institutional investors and domestic institutional investors have heavily bought in the Indian market. That is a reason for record close on the Nifty index as well. This is a snapshot taken from the market control website. As we speak, we are looking at a leading uh, around 280 seats are getting led by NDA party, that is Alliance, whereas India Alliance is having only 159 seats leading. These are not confirmed seats. This is just a number which are indicating leading numbers among the constituency seats. And the majority mark is 272. As long as any alliance makes above 272, that is going to form government. Overnight, US market closed, we can say, in a positive territory, except for Dow Jones, which closed 0.3% lower, whereas S&P has closed 0.1% higher, Nasdaq closed 0.6% higher. Asian markets are trading mixed. You can see Shanghai is trading with a gain of 0.1%, whereas Nikkei and Kospi are trading in the range of 0.4 to 0.5% decline. GIFT Nifty is indicating a positive opening for the Indian index. Yesterday Nifty closed around 23,200 levels. We are expecting a opening around 23,400, and going by the leading numbers, we might see Nifty capping up in the today's session as well. For the chart of the day, we picked Endurance Technologies, which is forming a stage 2 cup with handle base pattern. It is still 3% to the pivot. Its ratings are pretty good, as you can say. The master score is 77, EPS is 75. The last quarter earnings, that is previous quarter earnings, are very good, you can say. Technical ratings are also fairly poised. A price strength of 70 and ABD rating of A are considered good. Number of funds have also been shown very good improvement in the last quarter. From 169, it has improved to 185, which is a very good improvement. Overall, it is looking very good, and there are many number of stocks which are looking very good in the current market because the market is trading at new all-time highs. So majority of the stocks will also look good on the cancel methodology. If you pick any, the 3 out of 4 stocks will do good in this market. That is historically that is been observed. So the probability of stocks get breakouts being successful will also be higher in this current market status. Thanks for joining today's preview. Have a good trading session.